LG dryer showing d80, d90, or d95. This is a vent restriction warning, and you need to take it seriously. What the codes mean. D80 means 80% exhaust restriction. D90 means 90%. D95 means 95% blocked. Your dryer vent is dangerously clogged. Why LG is different? Most dryer brands don't have this feature. LG dryers have a flow sense indicator that monitors exhaust airflow in real time. It's actually a great safety feature because it warns you before a fire hazard develops. What to do immediately? First, clean the lint filter. Not just a quick swipe. Remove it and wash it with soap and water. Dryer sheet residue clogs the mesh over time and you can't see it. Second, check the exhaust vent outside. Find where it exits your house. Turn the dryer on. If the flap barely moves or airflow is weak, the vent duct is clogged. Third, get a professional vent cleaning. $100 to $200. We use rotary brushes that clean the entire run, including through walls and attics. Common causes: long vent runs over 25 feet, vents with multiple 90-degree turns, crushed flexible duct behind the dryer, or years of lint accumulation. After cleaning, the D80 code should clear within 1 or 2 cycles. If it persists, the vent may need reconfiguring, too many turns, or too long a run. Professional dryer vent cleaning. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.